Moving on to a breaking update where India has rejected Pakistan's SAARC offer. Pakistan has now cried foul, claiming that it is India which is hampering the SAARC process. However, India continues to remain firm on its stand that there has been no material change whatsoever that has been observed, and Pakistan continues to harbour terrorism ever since the Uri attack. Shivani, who is joining us at this point. Good morning, Shivani, because that time India had taken a stand and had said that many of those countries has also boycotted the SAARC summit that was earlier to be held in Islamabad, and saying that there has been no material change whatsoever in Pakistan since 2014.
Not the first time when Pakistan has been exposed, and it has been blaming India for hampering the process. And now this response that has come from Pakistan has come a day after when India had said that there is no material change in the situation. And the External Affairs Ministry spokesperson had said that there will be no consensus. There is still no consensus that would permit holding of the summit. And now Pakistan has blamed India. In fact, there have been a number of reports in which it has been clearly mentioned how Pakistan has still been supporting cross-border terrorism across the line of control, and it has been supporting terror groups. And now, reacting to what India has said and whatever the reports have been suggested, the Pakistan Foreign Office spokesperson has said that India's obstruction of the SAARC process was an established.
Shivani, just stay on with us. Major General Ashwani Srivastava is with us here on the phone line. Sir, good morning. We are looking a part of desperation, sir, on part of Pakistan, because it continues to reiterate that the offer to hold the SAARC summit in Islamabad.
Absolutely. See, as far as Pakistan is concerned, India has made it very clear. There is no material difference which has taken place in Pakistan. Pakistan is still aiding and abetting terrorism. And see, this meeting of SAARC, which was to take place in 2016 in Islamabad, did not take place because they involved themselves in cross-border terrorism in Uri. And after that, the way, Pakistan is involved in terrorism by supporting Lashkar-e-Toba and Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorists and sending them in India, nothing much has changed. You see, the Pakistan is going from bad to worse. Today, it is on the brink of being placed on a blacklist by Financial Action Task Force. And that's why they want that, the SAARC meeting to take place in Islamabad. But India has made it very clear that till the time the Pakistan does not bend its way, India is not going to attend the SAARC meeting, and SAARC meeting has lost its relevance, especially due to the negative attitude of Pakistan. And until and unless Pakistan does not bend its way, so India is not going to attend. Remember what they're trying. Shah Mohammad Qureshi, the foreign minister of Pakistan, is also suggesting that if India does not want to physically come in Islamabad, they can virtually attend. But India has made it very clear that Pakistan is a terrorist state. It is supporting terrorism not only in India but also Sunni militants in Iran. And the way they have forced to have a Haqqani network government in Afghanistan, it is a case in point. This government in Afghanistan has not been recognized by anyone now, because not even by Pakistan. So overall, the point is India is not going to attend the SAARC meeting. SAARC meeting has lost its relevance, especially due to the Pakistan attitude. Until and unless they do not stop this cross-border terrorism, stop differentiating between good and bad terrorists, India is not going to have any discussion, neither bilateral nor having any SAARC meeting wherein the Pakistan is part of it.
General Srivastava, we are also joined by Brigadier Haris Nawaz from Pakistan, sir, and I would like you to also come in whenever possible, because Brigadier Nawaz, it is Pakistan itself who has to blame and not India or other countries, because when it comes to the relevance of the SAARC summit, it is Pakistan itself that has been reiterating to hold it, but none of the countries are, sir, even interested in your offer.
Actually, it's only India who is not interested. The all countries are interested. I mean, you just push them because they are depending on for so many logistic support. Otherwise, the purpose is to Pakistan and India don't have the relations. There is a misunderstanding. That means you're resolved bilaterally. But why to sabotage our concept? The countries can mutually benefit, and that is very important. The point is, what all you are doing, what I've done in Kashmir, And even then, Pakistan is saying that even you should come on a virtual conference.
I'm
That
sorry,
can
sir,
be
even your friend Afghanistan had boycotted the summit.
No,
Not
nobody
only
thought-
General Sivach, if you want to throw more light on that, because they are claiming that all of those countries except India wants to attend.
India is actually you are the instrumental. You are the person who is pushing everyone. And the point is every country is denied to have mutual benefit out of this conference. The purpose is
Brigadier
Pakistan.
Nawaz,
That can resolve balance. That can balance resolve.
Brigadier Nawaz, you must understand, until unless you do not stop this cross-border terrorism, no country is going to attend this SAARC meeting. It is not only India,
But
Bhutan is not
cross-border
interested, Nepal
terrorism,
is not interested,
it is
Bangladesh
only
is not
India.
interested.
It is only
So is
India.
Sri Lanka.
It
My
is only
point is, you
India.
must understand,
No,
you cannot
nobody has
have
any
a
problem.
terrorist in your backyard and thinking that they
But
will
what
be
we
a
as a terrorist,
meeting.
don't you think
India
there
has
was
made it
terrorist
very
Gulbashan
clearly.
Yadav who
Why are you not allowing
What India is doing terrorism? What about Gulbashan Yadav who is serving level commander in Pakistan?
Through the Wagah border
Who
to
are the
Afghanistan.
main culprits?
It is a negative
Who is
attitude
the
of
main culprit?
Pakistan.
Who are
Pakistan is
participating in
only interested in
No, it is only
spreading the
India.
terrorism in South Asia.
No
That is the actual
problem.
true
Sri
color
Lanka,
of
Bhutan,
Pakistan.
Maldives,
So
don't
you
have any
must
problem.
understand, it
It's
cannot
only
happen
India
this
who's
way.
doing
You
everything.
can't have a cake and eat it
What
too.
the culprit?
Brigadier
You are
Nawaz, you must
sabotaging it.
understand this.
You should
Because
blame
the
and every country
Pakistan
knows it.
is now
You are
likely
just
to be
doing your
placed
weight over
from
there.
gate
That's the
of
problem.
blacklist by
I think better you
Financial
learn to
Action
live
Task Force.
peacefully
This is
with
a fact.
each
It
country.
is moving very
You
large.
should learn to
That is
live
why you are
peacefully
trying to
with your
have
neighbor
this SAARC
countries.
meeting.
Nobody,
You
your
want
India is
that some sort
isolated.
of
Even Bhutan,
respectability to
Nepal,
come
Sri
in
Lanka,
Pakistan.
Bangladesh,
But the
Iran,
fact is,
nobody is in terms with you. They don't want to talk to you.
isolated,
You are a terrorist country. You are a big terrorist.
Today,
Your Narendra Modi is a terrorist. He is anti-Muslim. Bharat's agenda is for a fund Bharat. Unless you move that thing, you cannot
Brigadier
move
Nawaz,
it.
we don't
Be
really
very clear
understand
about
it. If you
I
are
think we
taking
should
such an
change it.
anti-India stand, sir, then why is your foreign minister keep on asking India to attend the meeting, even virtually? That offer has been made multiple times, sir. If you are so anti-India, sir, why do you want India to participate?
Because they are
we should part of the
feeling
SAARC
a danger that they may be placed in a blacklist by Financial Action Task Force. That is a danger. They are worried. And that's why they want
I think
India
you should learn
agree,
to live
because
peacefully with
otherwise
Pakistan.
is
You have
isolated.
Pakistan phobia. You have phobia of Pakistan.
No,
I've
not
been in
at all.
Pakistan.
My
Thank you. That's
point
the
is,
problem. Stop doing terrorism in
India has
Pakistan.
not placed
Gulbashan Yadav
Pakistan
is an
in grey
example
list.
who is now
It
in
is the
Pakistan
Financial
taking
Action Task Force which has placed
That's
you
the
in a grey
problem.
list.
I
And
think
it is
don't
likely to
push around the
place
big
you in a blacklist.
Discover
The way you are now
Now
helping the
you,
terrorism.
the whole world knows it that
See,
you
my
are trying to
point is,
turn
Brigadier
divert the
Nawaz, you
attention
must
of the people.
understand,
That's the
until
reason you are
do
doing
not
it.
change yourself,
What is you just
nothing
keep
much is
blaming
going to
Pakistan
happen
just for
on
nothing.
ground. You
Why
are
Pakistan should
on
do
a bankruptcy.
Kashmir?
Today, there
They're
is
the indigenous movement. Your military is unprofessional, untrained. They can only kill innocent Kashmiri people. And that's what the problem is, and you blame Pakistan.
You know, there
You
is
try
no
to divert the
import,
attention of the Indian public.
imports are so
Now
high,
nobody will
no
buy your
export, no
things.
investment coming.
Now I think
So
you should
must
stop
understand,
doing it. Stop
Nawaz,
intervening
that
Pakistan.
until unless
Stop
you
doing
do not-
Well, sir, it is not just clear to India, but world over as far as Pakistan's stand and terrorism is concerned, because this is a long pending summit of the South Asian Association of Regional Cooperation, not SAARC. India has made it clear time and again that there has been no material change whatsoever in this situation since 2014, and there is no consensus that would allow holding of the summit. Thank you very much, Brigadier Nawaz. General Sivach, for joining us here on the broadcast.